today we are taking a closer look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful case. I received it as a gift. This is not my first case from this brand. I have one already, and this one I bought with my own money. I've tested it for a good amount of time already. What's very cool about this is that this case splits into two, so you can choose to put on either one of this or both. This is hard shell, and even though this is hard shell, it is very pleasing to the touch. It doesn't feel like plastic. I feel like this is like plastic mixed with silicone, if that makes sense. And this is silicone. It is more flexible. As you can see, even though my phone was dropped multiple times, it is scratch free. It looks completely like brand new. And here's the screen. As you can see, it's not shattered or anything. So this phone case is absolutely amazing at protecting your phone. And also, even the case doesn't have any scratches. Like, how cool is that? And because it comes in two pieces, you can slide in your credit card in here or driver license, so this way you don't have to carry everything. So just grab a phone and go. As for the things that I wish were different, I would probably say that I wish we had a magnetic plate inside here to be able to use it with my magnetic phone holder in a car. Other than that, I think this case is absolutely amazing. I think this is very nice case. I absolutely love it. Totally recommend it.